Okay, in this video, I'm going to share to all of you and explain to all of you about how to make skateboard arena in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape. As usual, we can use a rectangle or rotated rectangle. In this video, I suggest to all of you to make a basic shape with the rotated rectangle, and then just click it with the left click, and we can place on the origin from the starting line, and then we can set the any size, any length, and any depth about the skateboard arena itself. Then we can just create it. Maybe we can set the long long way of the skateboard. Okay, first of all, we have to push the plane to the upside around 1200 millimeter, and then we can set the curvy plane on the here. We use 2-point arc. Okay, we can set the starting line, and then we can set this end line, and then we can set the segment of the curve. We can type with 100s and just press enter on your keyboard anyway. Then we can set the curve as beautiful as you can, or as proportional as possible, and then we can push it to the back until the limit, so it will be clear anyway. Okay, and then we have to make it group, and then we can move and press Ctrl it, and then we can flip it along with right axis. Then we can connect it with another shape with the rectangle. We can connect with the rectangle, and then we can just push it up, and then we can make it group. Okay, and after that we can assign about the material using the rectangle. We can using another material with the rectangle, and then we can just push it to the left, push it to the another side, I mean. Then we can move and select Control. Then we can select another material with the concrete material in here. So and then we can just duplicate it by rotating the both of this component with the rotate tools, and then we can just rotate it around 90 degree. Then we can move it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you get the benefit and advantage from me, and wait for my next video. Thank you.